Welcome back friends to our Facebook page. Let's decorate this watermelon. We are going to cut the top portion of the watermelon. Now make multiple cuts like this. We are making a star shape and look, it is ready. Further we are cutting the edges and give it a more clean look like this. We are going to remove all of it like this from its corners as well so that the star will look more beautiful and look, it is ready. Then we are going to cut the bottom part as well like this, and then we are going to remove all the inside fruit like this using a scoop spoon like this. Make round balls and look, it is ready. After that we are also removing the excess fruit from inside the watermelon and then make cuts on it. We are going to decorate its edges as well using knife. Look how we are making here. Make a V cut on around the watermelon like this, and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to refill it like this using those balls, and look how pretty this is looking. Put the star as well, and look, it is ready. How pretty this watermelon art is looking. Make small two pieces of the watermelon from its sides. Now make a cut in the center like this. Now put both the slices. We are making ears and we are also putting these cherries as its eyes. And can you name the animal in the comment section below? And it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.